Alright. Man, that shifter is just bonkers. Alright, what is up, y'all? Today I got a special day. This is my R1 here. Here's my R6, my baby, my first bike. Love her, but this girl's kind of been getting the limelight lately. Today I was able to install this Translogic Quckshifter that came in the mail today. Damn, I already installed that. Whew! Spent a good bit of time wiring it up. Should have been working. What is the Translogic QSXi IntelliShift? She is the bee's knees, my guys. I've used the QuickShifter before. This bike's original, it's not the original motor. It actually had a QuickShifter originally, and supposedly that's what blew the motor. I hear if you don't have your kill time set right, it can mess up your transmission. Anyways, this bike is kind of just dumping money into it. Probably should stop. Got the Graves titanium Y-pipe, block off plates, some other stuff in here, and man, I test rode it earlier today. She is just insane. I'm gonna ride up north, meet up with my buddy Sibo, who has been a friend of the channel for several years, and we're gonna have some fun today. Here it is, the Translogic QSXi IntelliShift with DuraShift technology. I actually got really good shipping speed from the UK. Shipped on the 27th of January. Arrived today in central United States for on the 31st. So it was pretty, yeah, it says the 31st. Pretty quick turnaround. This thing looks dope. And I'm going to go ahead and catch up with you guys on the road, and we're going to have some fun. Alright, I'll see you guys then. Peace. Alright, y'all, we are back on the 2012 R1, my new to me baby. Been making some additions to her these past couple months. Actually, past month, since I've had her literally just about over a month. And we got the new QuickShifter on today, the Translogic QSXi, and boy, is it unreal. I have used one before, but it has been a very long time, and I've never had one on a personal bike. And I thought I'd ball out on this bike. Not really sparing any expenses on this R1 here. And it is absolutely fantastic. I probably have maybe like 3 miles on the system so far. I literally just put it on. So we're gonna go gas up and then head up north and meet up with Sibo 600, now on the R6 instead of the 600II that he started on. We got a beautiful day. It's like 60-some plus degrees out here in Missouri, January 31st. Not exactly weather you would expect. Dude, this QuickShifter is unreal. I wish I had been recording the first time I was out on it, but I literally had no gear, just took it around the block. Well, I had my helmet on, but I was wearing tennis shoes and shit, and I was literally laughing like a baby girl, man. It was pretty funny. I only have the upshifter, the QuickShifter is up right now. I'm not sure if I want to do the auto blip, because it's kind of fun to do it, to do the downshift, and I can kind of do it myself if you just do a clutchlessly, if you just kind of blip the throttle and tap down, and it's pretty smooth. I mainly wasn't sure if I want the auto blip yet, because what it'll do is, I've heard when you downshift manually, it'll still blip it, and I feel like that might be weird. And really the only reason I wanted a QuickShifter is so I could accelerate and really just have that raw acceleration, because I know this R1 isn't the the fastest in a straight line, but really speeding up those gear shifts has got to help. So pretty stoked with that. We're gonna get some hours in it on today and see how well it's holding up. So I'm gonna go ahead and gas up here. There's a quick trip around the corner, and we'll get back to you guys here in a little bit. Man, riding these big leader bikes, I don't have much experience on them. I mean, I probably got at least a few thousand on this R1 here. I've got shit like at least 40,000 on my R6. I've had that bike for 5 years. It was my daily for 2 or 3. But more so, I mean, it's true with the 600s, but even more so with the 1000s. With great power, to quote Uncle Ben, with great power comes great responsibility. I mean, in second gear here, I could try to zip around all these cars in front, but you know, I've got a daughter, I've got a wife I'd like to get home to. You got to keep your ego in check, otherwise you're gonna end up dead and with a broken bike, and nobody wants that shit. So we're gonna use the power and this lovely Translogic Quckshifter when it is appropriate, so as to not meet our untimely demise. Just effortless, those shifts. I feel like I'm still gonna try to use the clutch unless I'm really going at it, because I don't want to destroy this transmission. I just heard that pop. This mirror is basically useless. If I have any sort of speed, it just gets knocked straight back.